Hello, in today's video I'll show you the best settings for DREAME D20 Plus on tile floors. To clean tile floors, you may want to use more water because tiles are more waterproof and they can be cleaned with a higher amount of water. To do it, click on the custom button. Now select either mop or vacuum and mop, and you can increase the mop wetness to, let's say, 22. See if that works for you and decide whether you want more or less, or stay at the setting that you have set it to. But probably tiles are not in all of your rooms, so you may want to click on customize, then click on set, and now select the room with the tiles and set the mop or vacuum and mop setting. Then change the mop wetness for that room, and for room number 2 I have hardwood floor there, so I will want less wetness. You can also change the amount of cycles. So if you need to clean more deeply, you can set the amount of cycles to 1, 2, or 3. And that means it will just repeat the task twice, right? Now, when I set it, there's one more thing which will just increase efficiency and decrease the amount of wasted time. If you click on 3 dots in top right corner and floor cleaning settings, if you have that option enabled, then that will make the robot go in a path along the direction of the floor to minimize scraping against the floor seams, and that makes sense on hardwood floor, or basically on floor that's in a shape of rectangular parts, right? So now you can keep that setting enabled because it's great, but if you have square tiles, then select the then go to editing with the edit button, select floor type, select the room where you have square tiles, select floor material, and make sure to set it to tile floor, then click on confirm. But if you have a room with rectangular tiles, then let's give it a moment because it's loading now. Okay, so if you have rectangular tiles, then you may still want to minimize scraping. So go to the room that you want to set rectangular tiles in, select floor material, and you can set them to horizontal or vertical. I'll set them on horizontal, I'll confirm, and that's how you can do it. So the robot will go along that path. But if you have square tiles, you should set it to just tile floor, because that will make the cleaning time shorter. But yeah, minimizing scraping is great because it produces less sound and also causes less damage to your tiles. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.